When you hear the word home, what comes to mind? The aroma of freshly baked bread emanating from your oven. The warmth of flavors which bring you back to a simpler time. A time of discovery. The fragrance and aroma of fresh ingredients grown on the lands that surround us, and those moments which bring us home. The memory of that person who prepared your favorite dish, if only to see you smile. The flavor of a dish that is as delicious as the first time you tasted it. Evenings with friends, filled with joy and laughter. Evenings which you want to last forever. For the moments you will create, and the memories you will share. Moments with those you most cherish. Experiences which are precious, timeless. When you hear the word home, what comes to mind?